video, I think, on YouTube. No cap. Stuff that you will use in your daily life, from makeup to hair to food, just everything you could possibly need on a day like today. I also do have a very special giveaway for a lucky winner. Everything in this box right here near the end. Now I'm gonna show you guys these hacks really quick here. I want to make this video short and sweet and to it so you guys can get on with your beautiful day, and after the hacks I will get into the giveaway. So if you guys have any important life hacks, please leave them in the comments down below, and I hope you guys enjoy my video and let me know which one is the most useful for you. Bye! Okay, time for the life hacks. So the first one I'm going to share with you guys is one of my favorite ones and one of the best ones I recently discovered, and that is if your feet are freezing cold with one pair of socks. I don't know why I didn't think of this earlier, but you can just wear 2 pairs of socks and it's so comfy cozy, and it almost makes your feet feel more secure. Next up, if you're doing your business, you know, whatever you're doing, and you grab your toilet paper, don't just crumple it up into a ball because it's so little and it gives you not much room, and it's just ugh. So instead of that, just fold it over however many times you like, and you get a perfect amount, and it's a nice surface to use. Okay, honestly, who has time for boiling water? Like, it's gonna take so long to boil this water. My life hack is to turn it up all the way onto the highest heat so that your water will be boiling in absolutely no time. You're welcome. Okay, this next one doesn't just work for cheese, but if you have anything that you're gonna be storing in the fridge that you want to keep fresh, as soon as you try to wrap up the original packaging, it just is like a pain in the butt. The packaging can rip and it gets all weird, so instead of that, just grab a plastic baggie, because these have those secure little locks on them, so it honestly stays fresher longer than the original packaging, so you might get more use out of it, and it may surpass the expiration date. Yes, I love my cat, but honestly, she's full of hair, and I love these leggings, and they just get full of hair. So instead of just like wiping off with your hands, I grabbed some Scotch tape, and you just take the tape and then stick it to the hair on your pants, and it comes right off. If you have a pair of pants or shorts that are too baggy, simply just grab a belt and put it on to whatever's comfortable for you, and your pants will stay up. Okay, one of my struggles in life, and one of the hardest things for me to do, is remove ice cubes from the tray. They're frozen. My tip is to run some lukewarm water and then just put the ice cube tray right underneath there, and it'll loosen them up, and they're so easy to remove. So if you guys are squeezing a lemon and often get seeds into your lemon juice, all you have to do is put your hand right underneath there and catch the seeds as the lemon juice goes, so that you don't have to do any fancy tricks or buy any gadgets. You just put your hand under there and you're perfectly fine. Just make sure you have no cuts. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed all of those life hacks. I hope even 1 or 2 of those will be useful for you guys in your everyday life. Some of them I've never even heard of before. They were all brand new to me, but just from like trial and error in my everyday life and doing them, it's just what works best for me, and things that actually have made an impact on my life and have changed it. So now we're gonna get into the giveaway. So it's gonna be only one winner here, and it's gonna last 1 day and 1 day only. It's just today. You're going to go on this picture on my Instagram, and it's only on this picture. Make sure you go to that picture, and you're just gonna comment down below whatever you like, whatever you like. So the giveaway includes a mask, because we all please be wearing masks right now. This one I've previously used, but it's always good to be well protected, especially in a time like this. So that is the mask, and I've used it, so it's a little bit more special. Oh, there's a little dust bunny in here. Sorry. Scrunchie. I didn't really like this color, even though it does go with this vibe of this outfit right now. I just really wasn't feeling it. It wasn't me. I put it in my hair a few times. I tried it a different ways, but it wasn't for me. And usually my hair is pretty greasy anyway, so when I put this on, it kind of just like slid right out. This is like a pink theme. I love this. So this is a little Kate Spade New York bag for anything. Jewelry. You could put like mitts in here in the winter. Put your cat treats in here and put them in the cupboard, and then they'll want to see the bag like this. And you should see it, and then they'll be so interested in it. Imagine if there was cat treats in there. And it goes like this, just drawstrings right up, so it's secure. So if you did have anything in there, it wouldn't be able to get out. I got this for my FabFitFun box. The earrings came in here. I preferred to keep the earrings, and then I thought, hey, I would give this to you guys. So you're welcome. Okay, then I gave you guys a pair of oh shoot, these aren't the right. One's bigger than the other. Oh, but they're the same size. And if you know, it doesn't even look, you know, like you're wearing 2 different kind of earrings. If you, like, you're right. So it's no deal for me. I got good use out of them. Okay, this Lip Smacker Ice Creamies, I get lots of questions where I get mine. So instead of letting you guys know, I thought I would just do it in a giveaway and have you guys win it and give back to you. So this is a really good lip gloss. This is a Toca Florence perfume. It's a little sample one that I got when I did an order from Sephora, and it smells amazing. And last but certainly not least is this. I just got yesterday. It is a limited edition s'mores dairy milk chocolate bar, and oh my god, it's so good. Like, I just had to keep some of it for you guys. Like, how could I not? It's so good. There's marshmallows in there, chocolate graham crackers. One of the best chocolate bars. Oh my god, it's actually so good. I'm gonna wrap it up really tight. I'm probably just gonna put it in a little plastic baggie to keep it secure. And don't worry, I sanitized it and everything like that. And every time I ate it, except now, I did wear gloves. So don't worry about that. So I'm also just gonna put like some bubble wrap in here, some tissue paper. I'm gonna write you guys a beautiful card, sign it. I'm gonna include a picture of myself as well. And that was the giveaway. So make sure you guys enter. It's only today and today only. And I hope you guys enjoyed this April Fool's Day. And and just please don't get fooled today more than you already have. And I love you guys so much. And I don't know how to wink, actually. I just realized. April 1st, 2021, you win all these goodies. Happy April Fool's Day, everyone, and I'll talk to you guys all in the next one. Bye.